Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi A5 louder. Many enthusiasts seek to enhance their vehicle's auditory presence, and there are several effective ways to achieve a more robust sound. We'll cover modifications to both the exhaust and intake systems, discussing how each contributes to a more engaging driving experience. Our goal is to help you find the perfect sound for your Audi, whether you prefer a subtle growl or a more pronounced roar. The exhaust system is often the first place to look for a louder Audi A5. Upgrading to a performance catback or axleback exhaust can dramatically change your car's sound profile, offering deeper tones and increased volume. Removing the factory resonator or muffler can also create a more aggressive sound. For those seeking maximum impact, a performance downpipe can further amplify the exhaust note and turbocharger sounds, often improving airflow for potential power gains. Beyond the exhaust, modifying your Audi A5's intake system can also contribute to a louder, more engaging sound. Installing a cold air intake, for example, often results in a more pronounced turbocharger spool and a satisfying induction roar. These systems typically feature larger, less restrictive filters, allowing more air to enter the engine. Some performance intakes can even add between 6 and 9 horsepower, offering both sound and a small power increase. Before making any modifications, it's important to consider a few key points. Always research local noise regulations to ensure your chosen setup is compliant. Professional installation is highly recommended for exhaust and intake components to guarantee proper fitment and performance. Listening to sound clips of different modifications on an Audi A5 can help you decide which sound profile best suits your taste. Remember to balance your desired loudness with the potential for cabin drone during daily driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.